As I've always been impacted by the environmental concerns, be it increasing pollution, increasing greenhouse effect, and increasing population, increasing carbon footprint, be it anything in that sense. And the pandemic made me realize it to a very greater extent. And do you know how many times do people think of or strive to attain sustainable practices by replacing the daily use of FMCG products to something which is sustainably more approachable? Many times, right? But how many of we actually do that in real case scenario? So when we sit back and we actually think and evaluate the cause, we went to the dearth of desired sustainable products which are not available in our nearby stores. And this is what Econscious brings up to you. Gaining those sustainable products, attaining those sustainable products which are credible to the supplier, and increasing the reach of supplier is what Econscious strives.
The need of the hour, the need for the people who we are going to be catering. They want the products easily accessible at their place. So, talking about Nykaa, so the concept is very similar. So it is basically Nykaa for sustainable products. So that is where Econscious comes into picture, giving you a varied range of options from varied suppliers, while you can also compare the prices, and of course you can cut on your travel as well, which again plays a part when you think about the environment.
So Conscious offers a dedicated B2B and B2C marketplace for sustainable producers and SMBs involved with 3 Rs. With the help of its aggregator model, complemented by the home brand under the name Conscious itself, guaranteeing that the Conscious customers are served with the righteous choices for years to come.
So when you put yourself in the shoes of a customer, all you will want is to have easy accessibility of the products you desire, as I mentioned earlier as well. So with of course assured quality and the feeling of endearment which comes with finally opting for an environment friendly product. So Econscious ensures this by providing the suitable service by means of its one-stop destination, as mentioned in the previous answers as well. So a very friendly UI with a varied range of payment options, in addition to assured quality checks, of course, reassures the customer with the various gain creators in service to him. Now coming back to suppliers of sustainable products, who are our next customer segment, all they want is a reliable platform and a healthy collaboration while getting adequate recognition for their products. So Econscious again ensures this alliance by bringing to the suppliers all over a common marketplace to interact and maximize their reach.
We all are aware that the global population might reach to 9.6 billion by 2015. The equivalent of almost 3 planets could be required to provide the natural resources needed to sustain our current lifestyle. With prospects as such, it becomes inherently important to adapt to sustainable living. But in our haste to adopt the new technologies that made our lives better, we did not think about the long-term consequences. And now we are paying for it. Just months into COVID-19 pandemic, search interest in how to live a sustainable lifestyle had increased by more than 4,550%. According to Capgemini's report, 79% of Indian consumers are willing to change their purchase preferences based on social responsibility, inclusiveness, and environmental impact after the pandemic. I know, it's hard. It can be difficult to make sustainable choices in a system that does not encourage them. But we all have to try. We can sit back and do nothing and watch our planet be destroyed. Or we can take actions, become advocates, and start making lifestyle choices which are kinder to the people and to the planet.
So the major challenge which we faced while starting Econscious was, people are habitual to their daily FMCG consumption. And of course, as much as Samnin would say that change is the only constant in life, it becomes really difficult to eliminate the daily products of use and shift to something entirely new. To overcome this, we intend on creating awareness on this issue of prime importance through awareness programs and meets, and by deploying promotional strategies. That is our way ahead.
An e-platform, we're a website, we're a marketplace, electronic marketplace for all such sustainable products which are not easily available at your nearby stores or at the local stores. So what we're trying to do is create an e-marketplace, a B2B as well as a B2C marketplace for such sustainable products, so that we're helping the suppliers and the manufacturers of these products in our nation, and at the same time we're helping the end consumer by so that the end consumer is basically able to purchase all such sustainable products at a very reasonable price, and they have the credibility of these of such products from our side, because the suppliers with which we've already linked and with which we've been trying to get business and been trying to get them listed on our platform, on our website, they already have all the clarifications, all the certificates which are needed to establish the product as sustainable products from the side of government. That we're the NICA for sustainable products. So basically, there is a lack of e-marketplace in a market like this. If I were to ask you, any of the person watching this video, that go ahead, buy any sustainable product, so you'll not be able to do that. Reason being, first of all, that is not available in the local market. What we've come up with is this idea, and our market penetration tool is a bamboo toothbrush.